No. Stop touching my balls!
Man.
You're touching my balls! Stop!
Try to unbuckle.
Stop!
You're doing so much, bro.
A couple was stopped by police for a drug smuggling suspicion. Officers searched their vehicle but found nothing, yet the K-9 continued to alert them. Suspecting the man had hidden contraband in a private area, officers proceeded with a thorough check.
I got shorts on her. She want me to take jeans off?
No, you get Press all good, homie.
Stop! You're touching my balls! Stop!
It's all good, dog.
Please stop! Stop touching my balls!
Her bag, that's probably where they dope.
Bro, stop! You were touching my balls! I'd ask you not to touch my balls!
Hey, let's go right over here so I can touch it anyway.
Bro, stop touching my balls!
Just so it's inside and out of sight of the...
No joke. I told you I could take my jeans off and you could search my...
No.
Stop touching my balls!
Man.
You're touching my balls! Stop!
Try to unbuckle.
Stop!
You're doing so much, bro.
I'm doing too much touching my balls! Stop touching my balls!
Act like a grown
When you're touching my balls, I don't want to touch my balls!
Drugs in there, man.
I don't have drugs in my balls! Stop! Please stop touching my balls! Somebody help me! Help me! They're touching my balls! Help me! Jordan, please call somebody. Call my mom. They're touching my balls! They're touching my balls! Somebody help! Help! I want my lawyer. Somebody help! Somebody help me! Somebody please help me! Jordan, call my mom, please!
Stop turning.
Stop!
Despite his firm refusal to let anyone touch his balls, police still patted him down 45 times. In the end, no drugs were found, but he was arrested for refusing to be searched. You won't believe how this suspect tried to escape from the police.
Hey, he's on the roof! Hey, get down here! Show your hands or I'm gonna come up there and grab you. Hey, somebody ran! Somebody ran! Kneel it.
You're an idiot.
Get up!
Show us your hand right
Show
now.
us your hands! Show us your hands! Rob, you can breathe fine, all right?
While fleeing, Robert Langley jumped into a chimney, hoping to hide like Santa Claus. But instead of a smooth escape, he got himself completely stuck. Now the only people who can save him are the same officers he was running from.
So that's not compromise the corner.
Right, yeah, you're right.
Integrity.
I want to leave this right here.
Handicap, so put the wire.
Yeah, scoot straight up. Perfect. There you go.
Stark County Police received reports of a man in a costume threatening people with a knife. As officers approached, he raised the weapon toward them, showing no intention of surrendering. But he had no idea this was the worst mistake he could make.
Stop! 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 I got the knife! Still has a knife! Sir, I'm taser deployed! Stop, please get out!
The suspect, identified as Jacob Weisgarber, was arrested on multiple charges, including armed threats, obstruction, public disturbance, and resisting arrest. Pleasant Prairie police noticed a limousine moving unusually slowly. When they attempted to stop it for a registration violation, the driver suddenly sped off, sparking a high-speed chase. But the real trouble began when the vehicle finally pulled over.
Get on the ground! I'm running after him. Put your hands on your back right now. Get on the ground!
suspect resisted fiercely, even biting an officer. It took the help of a K-9 to bring him under control and make the arrest.
Put your hands behind your back!
Burlington Police Dispatch received an urgent call about a domestic assault unfolding in the parking lot of Cumberland Farms on Riverside Avenue. Witnesses provided key details about the suspect, prompting officers to respond immediately.
Don't pull away. Do not leave. Do not. He's pulling out. Do not leave. Just stop. He's coming out. He's coming out. He's got a hammer. Go, go. Watch out. Watch out.
When Burke opened his car door, he was holding a hammer and refused to comply with police commands. Suddenly, he turned and raised the hammer in an attack stance.
Drop the hammer. I don't want to shoot you.
I don't want to go to jail again.
Calm down.
I don't want to go
Calm
to
down.
jail. You better
Calm
fucking
down.
shoot me.
Drop the
I'm
hammer.
not going back.
Drop the hammer.
You better do it.
Nobody wants to shoot you. Drop the
I haven't
hammer.
done shit. Whatever.
Roll onto your stomach. Do it now. Roll to your left onto your stomach. Got it? We're westbound behind the house.
Officers quickly deployed rubber rounds, stopping him before he could harm anyone.
Drop it. Give me your other hand. Drop it.
Stop tensing up.
Thomas, please. Thomas, breathe.
Okay.
In the early hours of July 4th, 2024, Dallas police received an emergency call about a robbery at an illegal casino on South Lancaster. Officer Ruben Martinez, working undercover nearby, rushed to the scene. With no time to put on a bulletproof vest or activate his body camera, Martinez was forced to open fire.
I'm on the backside of this yellow building right here. Hey, police, police!
I'm good, all right, y'all got him? I'm good, good.
Los Angeles police responded to a shooting on East Avenue 36, where a suspect had fired at a family member after an argument before fleeing on a bicycle. However, he did not get far.
21 Roger at the scene. Was there any casings or victims? 11:42 A1 Roger that. There was a victim hit and there were casings recovered.
Que se canse. Ya que se tired, man. He's gotta get some.
Suspect. Southbound Bailey from Mission. And you got the videos. Southbound Bailey from Mission for the units. Southbound Bailey from Mission. And you got the videos.
Mira, puto door.
Southbound Bailey from Mission for the units.
Lopez was arrested for attempted murder and taken for treatment due to knee pain before being booked into jail. Fortunately, the victim did not suffer serious injuries. Huber Heights, police responded to reports of a highway altercation where the suspect had threatened a victim with a firearm. Fortunately, no one was injured, but the armed threat alone was enough to land him in prison.
The white male, gray hair, and I think I got lined up for a kill. All right, failed pit, failed pit, failed pit. Could be car parts coming off.
And we're going to be continuing westbound on Field as well. These are about 40-ish. Going for the first. He went to a house. Came up to a house.
He crashed into the house.
Get on the ground!
The suspect fled behind a house, still holding the weapon. Officers were forced to open fire, with one round striking him but causing no serious injury.
There.
Let me get a rifle.
Got it.
I think I...
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Do not move!
The chase ended when he collapsed on the porch of a nearby home.
He's blocking.
Shut the door. Get your hands behind your back. Do it now.
Raleigh police responded to reports of gunfire near the intersection of Vardaman Street and Hightower Street. As officers arrived, more shots rang out from across a parking lot. Moving in, they spotted a man dressed in dark clothing, holding what appeared to be a firearm. Despite commands to drop the weapon, the suspect kept advancing. Moments later, a tense shootout erupted between him and the officers.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Police! Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Hands on your head! Hands on your head, man! Hands on your head! Probably shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.
As a weave up. 423, what's your status?
He's in the car, he's in the car! He's in the car! He's in the red truck!
Hey, hands, hands,
Hands, hands, hands, hands!
hands, hands, both hands, both hands.
A security camera captured a masked suspect stealing a Honda CR-V. He quickly jumped into the vehicle to escape, but his actions were already being tracked by police.
Hey, Seattle police! Oh, oh.
When confronted, the suspect resisted fiercely, forcing officers to use batons and a stun device to subdue him. During a traffic stop, officers identified 26-year-old Isaiah Ghana, who had an active warrant for domestic violence and probation violation.
Yeah, I was trying to get him out, that's all.
Do not reach in your pockets, sir.
Get in my phone, sir.
Not reaching.
Stop. I'm just reaching in your pocket.
sir.
Okay, dude, you don't gotta be tripping.
Tensions rose when Ghana reached into his pocket, where he had a concealed knife. Despite multiple warnings, he continued to resist. To subdue him, officers used batons, targeting key areas like his thigh, upper arm, and back. He was finally restrained and taken into custody.
Copy, there's 4 Copy, there's 4
South African police pursued a stolen white vehicle. The suspect weaved through traffic, swerved recklessly, and crashed into another car before coming to a stop. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be part of our channel family. Have a great day and see you later.